Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is our great moment of sharing information about cryptocurrency, NFT, and other related sources. So, mostly we are focusing on mining, but also focusing on Pi Network, the only project that has hit the world and has brought more people in the field of cryptocurrency. So, as of today, I am going to share with you the information related to it's one of the updates that Pi Network has already updated in the dashboard. If you open your dashboard, you can see it. But myself, I'm going just to try to read it so that you can understand what they are talking about. But after reading, I'm just going to highlight and talk about what was it about a little bit. But normally, this is just a good news for pioneers, all the pioneers who have been there in this industry of Pi Network. Like mostly those people who are like me, who got migration 2021, 2022, and our mined Pi coins have been there, holded somewhere, and we did not have any ability to access them. And so that's why we are saying this is our great moment. So if you have been there, this update is talking about second migration. Let me first read, and I'm quoting, and I'm going to comment after. Okay. Update on migration and account verification. Historically, Pi accounts relied on phone numbers, not emails, as unique identifiers. While convenient at first, this approach created challenges as SMS, text, message via phone numbers. Verification was proven to be both unreliable and costly due to the global distributed nature of the Pi community. SMS communication between pioneers and servers have not always worked due to different geographic limitations, telecommunication regulations, carried policies, individual services, subscription, and the cost and more. In light of the challenges, and the network is the phase with more reliable authenticity measures such as KYC and liveness check, it is to shift from primarily or solely relying on phone numbers to using email-based two factors of authentication verification, with the goal of eventually supporting advanced authentication methods like passkey and biometric key. The email-based two factors of verification not only addresses the above challenges but also improves security because of two factors aspects. To get there, every user will first need to establish a trusted email on file. However, some users have never added an email to the account. All might have entered incorrect ones, lost access to their past emails, or shared emails with family members' Pi accounts. Given that adding an email on Pi account is not done at the time of account creation, and this is a major shifting in account management and security of Pi. Had checked through additional analytics and analysis before allowing the user to migrate. How user added their trusted email, how they have verified their email addresses, how they are completed, integrity of the process, and the security of user account. In some cases, further actions such as liveness check, additional SMS verification are needed. This required a temporary pause in migration until such a system level checks were made. The good news is that migration have now resumed and will gradually expand as more email-based two factors of authentication and system level checks complete. Pi Network is committed to smooth and secure transition, and your patience is appreciated as account security is strengthened for everyone. Okay, let me try to talk about this thing. I'm trying to talk about this announcement because this is a very good news for every pioneer. Okay, they are telling everyone that you should make sure that your email is already verified and is already there, because they are adding other verification methods like biometric, and also the passkey, which means last time they were putting two factors of authentication, but now they're adding their biometric, and what they're adding biometric, and they're adding also the passkey, so that it's going to be a little bit complicated to the users, to the scammers, and everyone trying to steal Pi coins. So guys, another thing that is good in this announcement is that they have planned to resume Pi network. They have planned to resume the Pi network is planning to resume the second migration. Most users their coins have been holded somewhere, and sincere speaking, they were just there. They didn't know what it was and how it was going to be done. Some of them have had 15,000, 20,000. They hold it there because we just got the migration earlier, but at least at this time we have got hope that they are going to release the second migration after verifying after making sure that two factors of authentication is approved, after putting the passkey, the biometric, and activating the two factors of authentication. That's when we are going to resume. We are going to get our mined Pi coins. So there is something also I want to highlight. You see, me, I have been different coins since. I mined them. I mined the hamster. I mined the core. I mined the what. But once the coin is listed on one exchange, you find that its vision is dead. You find that the vision of the coin is already dead. But I wonder, since Pi Network was already launched, now its strength is growing, and the core team is not saying that they have already given us what they promised. They are trying to work hard to make sure. They are still putting a lot in the system. They are still adding a lot of features to protect the accounts of Pi Network, because I think because this core team knows that these accounts that we are holding are very important, to the extent that they have to protect it as much as they can. Guys, we have been saying, let me tell you, I have been in different fields of coin, but let me tell you, Pi Network, Pi Core Team is a different game, is a different thing. Whether you accept or not, this is a game changer. I don't want to promise a lot, but I know. Let me tell you something. Pi Network is going to change the way we have been watching things. This industry and the field of cryptocurrency, I believe Pi Network is going to do something bigger and bigger. So guys, let's stay attentive. This is what I can say. Let's stay updating. Make sure that your the email that is, when you pass to the menu, then profile, then go and check your email if the email is the real one, if it's verified, so that you can receive these two factors of authentication, so that you are going to be waiting for second migration. Because once this thing is not done, your migration is going to be paused for some time, for you to put everything in the press, for you to put everything in a good way. So that's what I wanted to share with you, and I believe this information is going to help you in one way or another. And I would like to request you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this YouTube channel has holded you from the beginning up to now. At least we know where we are heading, and we believe together we can achieve more. So subscribe, hit the bell so that you can get the video that follows the next. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.